Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Look, I'm going to put up videos that I have stored away and I've never uploaded old videos. So, guys, because I don't have any contents right now, because I have been busy thinking of nothing. No, guys, look, I got videos that I didn't upload before, and it's back in Cook Island. And no, I'm not back in Cook Island, guys, but have a watch what I didn't upload that I should have uploaded, but I didn't upload. Anyway, I hope you guys are all good. But take a watch of my Cook Island visit and being at the Moody Beach present. God willing. Wailoa, ya whasau fua. Take care, guys. Miss you guys. Oh. Home now, guys. We just finished up Punana Market. I got the vegetarian meal. Okay, it was mostly vegetarian. Okay, I had to have some sort of meat, so I had got chicken, chop suey inside my food. Okay, yeah, I tried vegetarian, and it was pretty good too. So I didn't say it was horrible, did I? No, we didn't. It was good. It was yum yum. I didn't finish it all, so I'm going to go home and I'll eat it properly. Yeah, I didn't do a mukbang because I didn't bring my stand so I can steady the camera. I just bought the one handle camera holder. Okay, well, we're going to go home. It's so hot compared to yesterday where it was raining. Oh, today is hot but lovely. We are going to go to the Black Rock Beach after. As promised, I'm going to show you guys the Black Rock, and we're all going to go and see together, does it have any black rocks there, okay? Because that was the question I asked. Is there any black rocks there? I don't know. So we're going to find out together later on, okay, guys? But for the time being, we're going to go home, have a little rest, and then we're going to go off again to the Black Rock Beach. I hope I didn't forget my bikinis, because I'll be in them running into the beach slow motionly. Okay, so if you guys want to watch my bikini running into the beach, yeah, you gotta keep watching. Okay, and don't ring police because it's a model running, okay, onto the beach. Yeah, and if I forgot my bikinis, well, too bad. You guys cannot watch me run onto the beach in my sexy bikini that I've never ever owned a pair. Okay guys. Oh, look at that. Yes. Oh, poor man walking in the hot. Okay, we're nearly to where we're staying. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that beach between that and the Kato. Into our household. See, look how cool this place we're staying in. There's a fishing club just over there, just opposite. So if you want to get drunk and have a whole lot of fun, we can just go across the road, get drunk and waddle home. There's no way you can get lost just walking across the road, right? Right? Oh, I don't know. Depends how drunk you are. Oh, look at that. Look at that in the back there. Yeah. There's the lovely mountain. And a whole lot of big mango trees. Oh. These people must grow in sour or something, eh? Anyway, we're reversing into our accommodation, guys. And that's our neighbor there. That house over there, that's enough. Where do you want to reverse to? Someone wants to reverse to the next island. Okay, oh. Yeah, anyway. That house over there has a lady that came over with some, those little bananas. I don't know, it looks... Okay, that was a sneeze. Obviously. Okay. Yeah, and that's Nono nonu, what's it called, Ghana? Nonu or noni tree. It's pretty healthy. I've never tried it myself because oh, okay guys, look at this, oh, who wants some nuts? Who wants some nuts? And there's that long silver pole that comes down right there, so we can go and husk us some if we want, get some down if we want. So yeah, so there's a choice of 3 trees there. Yeah, so anyway, we can go get our own, but we go and buy it. Okay guys, the key is inside the car, and my mama's hot, and we got some food. Look, we got curry, and we got round donuts, we got some taro, we got some, what's that? You got raw fish? Just one? Did you think of me? Oh, we're going to share with you. It's a toilet. Daddy, I'm just it's in the glove box, next to the glove box. Yeah, so we got donuts. We've got raw fish. We got taro. We call it taro. It's karula lokonga people, male oka, male pangekera poko whaanga lokonga. Yeah, male curry chops. I wish it was curry goat, my husband said. So don't forget, when you come to Buchanan and you see people, you say kia ora na. Okay guys, my mama's gonna go inside because she must have a little rest. Okay, it's up to you. Anyway, there's a single bed here. Okay, so no, Ariana. So my mum's lost her way to finding the loo. She even loses her way to her room. Better open it up, get some air in here. Pretty dark. So, gotta open it up, get some fish here in her room. Yeah, there were so many. Hey, who's that sexy lady? Mirror. Dream on. Okay. Oh, who's that sexy lady? Who's that sexy lady? Oh. Okay, we're just gonna hang out now, cool off, and then we're gonna go to the beach. Then we're gonna go to the beach. We're gonna go to the beach. Black Rock Beach. That's where we're gonna go to after. Yeah. Hi guys, so we're gonna have a picnic out here. A picnic. Okay. Just some curry, okay? So that's what I'm gonna have, curry. Oh, should have put down some papers, eh? Some pork. Don't hurt yourself now.
Not on camera. This is my introduction.
Taking over mood. Okay, I already washed my hands. Now I'm just doing it. Anyway, gotta try out these donuts. Yeah, my mama's gone for a rest. See guys, look. This is the Raro donut made into pancake Samoa. Nice flavor. Anyway, time to eat. This is curry neck chops. Kukan taro. Nice. See raw fish? It's got carrots in it. Carrots, cucumber, and onion.
Wahoo.
Wahoo. Never had raw wahoo before. So I think, yeah, got us some mango, but it's still solid rock. But I think it's good for salad. Look up.
Ang gawa nila ito green, but yellow inside.
Oh, how come it's hard?
Ang gawa nila ito is hard.
He's hard, but he reckons it's sweet inside and bright, eh? Donut. Cheers. Nice and cold. This one is just for show. They already got drunk. And drinkers. Nice curry. Okay. He was hoping for curry coat. Didn't happen, mate. Look, there's some rice down the bottom. Nice. Kukan taro. Very nice. They actually sell the taro in Australia. It's a pity.
We can barely feed them over here.
There's a lot of land here. They can. Just got someone to do it. Nice. Oh, finito. Finish. Gone. Can you see me? There was a mukbang I had done in Rabe before, and there was hammering happening next door. So good, guys. A feast in Rarotonga. The market was so full today. It was chock-a-block. But I tell you what, it's not as full as the last time I came. It was more. More people. Because last time we came in June, there was a fair amount of people. So this month is, what's this month, Dana? February? Feb. So, a lot of people, they just got back from their holidays, or the holidays is just finishing. So everyone's returned back to work and stuff. Yeah, it was a full plate when we came to the, last night. Full plate. It was last night? The night before? No, it was the night before. Oh. What's that? What did I say? Yeah, the night before. Oh, okay. Oh, guys. So good. You have food. But I've got to finish off my my lunch, okay, guys? You guys got to go and find you guys something to eat. And we'll talk again another time, okay?